Welcome legends to vlog 233 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Today's vlog focuses on the forms for the canopies which Boss Nanti and Foreman Rocky are in charge of. Here on the top floor, the Dream Home building project, you'll see that they are forming these canopies. Right legends, welcome to vlog 233 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. I just entered the Dream Home building project, and in fact I'm on the top floor and I'm going to give you an update on everything that's gone on since the last vlog in 232. So the guys are mixing halot because rendering continues here for vlog 233. And on that note of rendering, let's give you an update on Jerson's wall. If you watched the previous vlog, you'll know that Jerson was on this wall. I am pleased to inform you that Jerson now has turned the corner and has now started the work on this wall for rendering. So loads of progress. Again legends, all work is focused on the top floor of the Dream Home building project here in Sapian, Capiz. It's Labour Day, it's May 1st. So let's get over to the stair side. So legends, if you remember, Boss Nanti was working on this area here on the previous vlog. I can inform you now that that beam there on top of the 2 rows of hollow blocks has now been poured in concrete earlier this morning and was in forms. So again, more progress. And Tannoy and Nunoi Gibson are out on the side there. Looks like they're removing some of this this bamboo scaffolding. While we're on the theme of rendering, let's check out Nunoi Jobin. Hi Noi.
Hi boss.
So Nunoi Jovin now is really making some nice progress here. If you saw the previous vlog, He was on this wall over at the far end. He's finished that now and it's looking awesome, and has now begun this wall here, and is actually almost well, I'd say about halfway through it now. Yeah, look there. It's a nice breezy day today. You'll see from the clouds we have some cloud cover, and the trees are moving, so it's breezy. So yeah, it's hot, but it's bearable today. It's a nice day today. Right, legends, a few of you messaged me personally after yesterday's vlog and mentioned that I didn't actually show the canopy from the upward, or from the top floor looking down. So yeah, this is the canopy that is covering the balcony area on floor 1, and there are 3 lights installed on this, and you'll see it's a nice looking concrete canopy. I imagine at some point soon they'll remove this from its foremast, because it's still in forms underneath, being held up by bamboo. Also, legends, if you remember from yesterday, the whole vlog was focused on these 2 beams over here, and I have the pleasure of telling you that they've been removed from their forms. They were poured yesterday, as you saw in the vlog, and they have now been removed from their forms in the morning. And it just makes this whole wall area here structurally sound. So the focus now is on this canopy that wraps around, which Foreman Rocky and Nancy are in charge of doing. And you see Nancy is boss Nancy is nailing the plywood down, and as you are familiar with canopies now, these rebar will be laid down with 10 mm crossing them to form square junctions, and tied off with the lumbery, and in certain areas welded as well to reinforce it. So you'll see this canopy will wrap around and then go down this side as well. Foreman Rocky using the level hose, making sure our canopy is straight. Hindi siya tadlong. And this is the cocoa lumber that we're using as the supports underneath the plywood, and further enforced with bamboo. If you're wondering, legends, why these newly formed beams have looked like someone's gone crazy with one of these chisels and there's loads of holes, it's because where they're so smooth, if you render them and start throwing concrete onto them, the concrete will simply slide off. So the holes are simply there just to ensure that the concrete has something to grip onto, if that makes sense. So I'm sure you'd agree, legends, loads and loads of progress from yesterday's vlog. I'm very, very happy with it. And work continues. We're on this top floor. The whole team again is on the top floor. Looks like Boss Nanti and Foreman Rocky are focused on the canopy that wraps around. Gibson and Tannoy are on the outside of the building, doing something along the lines of this working with this bamboo scaffolding. Jersin is over there rendering, finishing, and you know Jovin is also out here finishing with Joba as his assistants. So loads and loads of stuff going on, legends. Welcome, legends, to vlog 233 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Today's vlog focuses on the forms for the canopies, which Boss Nanti and Foreman Rocky are in charge of. Here on the top floor, the Dream Home building project, you see that they are forming these canopies. Remember, legends, if you have any questions regarding today's vlog, or you wish to just say some kind words, head over to the comment section below on this YouTube channel and you can do your bidding there. While you're at it, hit that like button, hit that share button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Ang comment, hi, ang langgari mo. Kabudlay, boss. We've sent one of our saws to be sharpened, so we're left with another. That we have 2 saws on site, and they're all dull, and we've sent one to be sharpened. Ah, the construction game, legends. So we're making these canopies, legends. We also need the electrical team over here at some point, because they're gonna have to install some more lights. As I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, this house is full of lights, full of iwag, and of course they won't be on always, but it's important that you have a well lit house, especially during family functions. Remember, legends, if you have time, if you can find the time to head over to Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, search my name, Miles Roldan, and give me a follow as well, legends. That'd be really appreciated. So Jobert is putting some plywood on this gap here, so Nunai Jovin on the other side can throw concrete and it not fly through. That's the idea behind it. Wala martilyo. This kid, man. And this is why, legends, Jobert had to cover the little gap at the top, because Nunai Jovin now is at the top end of this wall, and he's gonna throw concrete, and that bit of plywood will stop any of the concrete from flying in, and it should just hold. So Boss Nanti looks like he's disassembling some of the bamboo scaffold that isn't needed, because it's only going to get in the way of what we're going to do now with this canopy. It looks like they're going to start doing the rebar work and tying it on as well. So you're coming along for that ride as well, legend. Foreman Rocky will thread the rebar through the hole that he's just drilled, and it will come across just like that, and he'll go through all of the holes. And then the curve at the end of the rebar will just form a natural stop, you can see. Very nice. And then all of these junctions, legends, need tying with a lumbery with steel wire and some extra welding from Boss Nanti. And then this canopy would be ready for bores after the electrical team install their bits. Jan from the electrical team is here to sukat or install the three or make provisions, shall I say, for 3 lights at the front and 3 lights at the side. This house is going to be very bright. Right, legends, that's it for vlog 233 on the Miles Weldon YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast making it. I'm gonna go try edit it now. If you're new to this channel and have enjoyed this content, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. To all my legends, thank you so much for your support. Keep that support ongoing, and I will continue to deliver these vlogs as of when I can. With all this being said, I hope to see you in vlog 234. 234 is next. It's me, myself and I, Miles Weldon. Thank you so much for watching.